red dot's like just kind of pointed down there. That's what he was doing. One with the SMG. Oh, dude. Excuse me.
It's still a sword. Yes, I want to take this for a sword. Where'd you go?
I want links. I'm not one for Buster Swords. Too much of a pain. It's just I prefer a sword and a shield. It seems.
I don't know which one I should pick. I don't know. That's all I don't want to take either.
I was going to dress up as somebody off a Black Cat, but I'm trying to find a trench coat.
They're expensive as well.
I know. I was even looking at Helping Hands for them. I went to Helping Hands and the guy told me, yeah, when we get them in, they go fast.
About the place you can find them is on the internet, and that's for one, that's really expensive.
Practitioners down there.
Two, you gotta pay shipping and handling.
Yeah.
So the only way I'd be able to get one is if I got the money for it.
Yeah.
I tried to get my mom to buy it for me, but she wouldn't do it.
A trench coat?
Yeah. The cheapest one I found was like $50, and that's just because it didn't have everything
Might as well
they usually
make
have.
your own, mate. You ain't gonna find it yet.
I was watching
They're difficult.
something on the History Channel. They're making them now with bulletproof vests in them. Trench coats, and they go for like thousands upon thousands of dollars.
They're already too much now. More expensive.
I mean, if you want more of a, a bulletproof vest in it,
What is this judging?
no, it's a chess game.
That's the way to do it.
I mean, heck, save you a couple $1,000, just buy you a trench coat and buy you a bulletproof vest. That'll save you a lot of money.
Yeah.
They just don't have one, made with it in it.
Alexia, take her out.
There's Hardy. I was wondering where she went.
Go dating.
There's Ichigo.
Who's winning so far? White or black?
I do not know.
I ain't been paying attention. I'm doing a real crappy job of filming this.
The last I knew is One Piece was taken from what I paid attention to.
There go. One of them, I don't see where she went. She just got knocked out. I think the girl right downhill, the green,
Yeah.
stand up, I think she just got knocked out.
See Sasuke's still in there. They had the chance to take Sasuke out, but they didn't do it.
I'm just waiting till after 3:30. It's gonna be packed. After everybody gets out of school, they made them do. But I'd rather do, a couple of weekends of school than miss all my summer vacation.
Last night when I was here, when it started getting closer to midnight, I was like, I wonder how the people who stay here are liking this noise.
Oh,
It's pretty loud.
Alexia, up one over two, check.
Ooh.
Hey, Kobe's out there.
It's the playoffs. Okay, I see.
I wonder who the king is.
I don't know. There's people clapping their hands. That's all I can see. I guess she got kicked out.
By Kobe.
Oh. I tried chess once or twice. I suck at it.
It's pretty much just learning the moves and then trying to figure out how to defeat the opponent.
I got a friend of mine, he plays all the time. He's like a champion. He can have you knocked out in like 4 or 5 moves.
My seminar teacher, my friend that I had in seminar wanted to challenge her in chess. She got him out in 3 moves.
He's the same way. It's like, if you can get me out in 3 moves, I'm not even going to play you. I mean, if you suck at it as bad as I do, I might play you, but you gotta suck pretty bad.
I'm gonna stop playing my friend in chess because for the past 8 weeks, every time we played, I make it just a chase. I'd have my king, my queen left, and he just have his king, and I'd just be chasing around with the queen. I decided I'm just gonna stop playing, and this is how it's been happening the whole time. It's getting boring because that's how it's been happening for a while.
Yeah, somebody trying to explain to me chess and checkers the same thing. I was like, no, you're way off, dude. There's more to it.
Checkers I never got. Chess, still learning. It's honey.
Alright, I'm gonna make a phone call. Phones are giving out. Me and my girlfriend switching off. She films a part of it, I film a part of it. Oop, wrong number. Hey, come up and switch off with me. My arms are giving out. Alright. Alright, bye. I know it only weighs a few ounces, but that's about it gets heavy.
Yeah. It's just from holding your arms up for a while.
Yeah. If I was going to do a lot of filming, I'd get me a tripod.
Yeah.
Set it up on, just focus it down there and just keep an eye on it, make sure nobody steals it.
That'd be the easy way to do it.
But who wants to take a big round, a big bulky tripod?
Yeah. People who do it for a living.
Yeah.
Because they always do. Just fell on Naruto.
Oh, hey dude. Scared me. Alright. I know it don't weigh very much, but mom's are giving out. Oh, you keep it.
For a second. Camera.
Alright. Come on, Jack. Come on, bud. You can't help it, your arms are sitting there shaking like crazy. It's like, oh. You want your leash for him, baby?
Oh, he's been doing real well. He hasn't even left my shoulder.
I'll just go ahead and give it to you.